In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this insane car split transition in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here I have two speed-ramped clips that we will transition into each other. Copy the last clip on top and go to the first frame. Right-click, change clip speed and freeze frame. Move the freeze frame on top of the first clip like this. Cut the rest of the clip like this. Open the freeze frame in Fusion. Copy the media in 1 and position the nodes like I do. Add a polygon and a merge node for the media in 1 and connect them like so. Mask out half of the car like this. After that, add another merge node for the original media in 1 and then copy the polygon node for it. Invert the mask and adjust it so the headlight isn't visible. Now let's animate it. Add transform for the media in 1 and copy it to the other one also. Go to the first frame and make a keyframe for center, move to the end and make another keyframe, go back to the first one and adjust the center Y until the part is not visible anymore. Repeat the process also for the other one. Open spline window and make sure both of the center boxes are selected. Highlight both of the points on the graph and press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. Copy the look of my graph to get similar result. Select one of the transforms and click on Settings, select Motion Blur and copy my settings. Go back to the editing page. Open the second clip in color page. Take a pen tool and mask out the headlight. Then track the mask. Once that's done, right-click on the node window and add alpha output. Copy the clip on top and open it in color page. Press this icon to invert the mask. Select the bottom clip and create a new compound clip. After that, open it in Fusion page. Find Transform. Go few frames forward and make a keyframe for center. Go back to the beginning and move the center Y down a little. Open Spline window and select the Transform node. Make the graph similar to mine. Don't forget to add Motion Blur by clicking on Settings and then Motion Blur. Move the clips on top of the first clip like this. Only one more step before the effect is complete. Drag an adjustment clip onto the timeline on top of everything. Cut it to desired length and then open it in Fusion. Find Camera Shake. Make a keyframe for overall strength in the beginning, move to the middle point and turn it up to whatever you want. Move to the end and bring the value back to 0. Make sure edges are turned to mirror and motion blur is enabled. That's basically it.